One small key can open more than a door. It waits in silence. Soon, this old house will keep a secret no more. Rain falls softly outside. The old house stands quiet and cold. Dust covers every wall, every window, every old wooden floor. Two workers walk into the empty, silent building today. They carry heavy tools and old work bags. Work starts now. An old stone chimney stands in the corner. Cracks run across its dark, rough surface like small lines. Something feels different here today. A worker taps the wall. The sound is hollow and strange. He stops and calls his friend to come and look. Behind the old bricks, something small falls to the floor. It is metal. Rust covers its old, bent, and broken shape completely. The young worker picks it up with careful hands. It is heavy and cold to touch. A key. No door stands near this old chimney. Both workers look around the empty room with confused faces. Where does it go? The old man frowns. He turns the key slowly in his hand. This house is very old, older than anyone can remember. Old houses like this one always keep small secrets inside. He feels curious. Today, this small key will change everything about this house. The search begins along every wall in the old house. Hours pass without one clue. Nothing. Dust fills the air inside every room. Both workers push old furniture aside and check every wall. Still no door appears. The young worker feels tired. His hands ache from hours of work. Maybe this key means nothing at all, he thinks quietly. Doubt grows heavy inside the old, quiet, empty building today. He wants to stop. Still, something inside him says to look one more time. The old man sits down on a broken wooden chair. He looks at the key again. Why this key? Silence fills the whole house around them now. No cars pass outside, no voices call from far away. They feel very alone. Night comes early today. Shadows grow long across the old wooden floor. The young worker feels a small chill move down his back. One wall near the chimney feels different from all the rest. It sounds strange. He knocks on it slowly, again and again, listening carefully now. Behind that wall, wood meets wood in a strange pattern. It does not match the rest. His heart beats fast. This is not part of the old design. Someone built this wall on purpose, long, long ago in secret. A hidden door waits close. Both workers stop and look at each other. Neither one speaks for a moment. The old man places a hand on his shoulder. We found this together, the old man says softly to him. The young man smiles. For a moment, fear turns into something warm and calm. The young worker holds the rusty key close to his chest. It feels warm now. Not cold. They sit together near the old chimney for a while. The old man tells him about houses that keep old family stories. He listens closely. A soft wind moves outside. The old house creaks gently around them. For the first time tonight, the fear inside them feels smaller. The old man remembers his father's old house stories. He smiles quietly. Some doors, his father said, wait many years to open. The young worker feels less alone hearing these old words. He nods slowly. Ready now. Together, they stand up from the old wooden floor. The old man picks up a small hammer resting near the wall. It feels quiet and important. Both hands hold the key. They walk closer to the strange wooden wall. Behind it, something old and forgotten still waits in the dark. Slowly, the old man pushes the wooden panel with soft force. It moves slightly. A small gap opens, dark and silent, right before their eyes. Cold air moves out from the narrow, dark opening ahead. It smells old and dusty. They step closer. Inside, a small room has stayed the same for years. Old furniture stands quietly under thick layers of soft dust. No one has entered here for many years. Both workers stand still. The room feels frozen in an older time. An old chair and a faded picture rest inside. The young worker looks closely at the old faded picture. It shows a family. People from long ago once lived quietly inside this small room. The old man wipes dust gently from an old wooden shelf. Small objects rest there still. Forgotten things. This room kept its secret for many, many years. No one knew this room was hidden behind one wall. Now, they know. The young worker feels something new. Not fear anymore, but quiet wonder. Old houses hold stories that wait quietly for the right moment. The old man smiles softly at the small, quiet room. This room waited a long time. Sometimes, old buildings keep gentle secrets longer than people expect. They decide to protect this room exactly as they found it. Nothing will be moved today. Some things stay. Outside, the rain has stopped completely now. The rusty key rests quietly on the old wooden table nearby. History sometimes waits behind one small, forgotten door.